guys, it's Daga here, back with another video, and today we are doing it with XX Angel Lena XX07 that I gave a shout out to in the last video. So we have started. So basically, what we're doing is we're going to the epic dins. We're either roasting them, eating them, or roast eating them. So basically, let me explain this to you. When you roast the den, you think it's okay, but when you eat the den, it's disgusting. But then when you roast and eat the den, it's like the most disgusting thing you've ever seen. So, you ready? So let's go to the first epic dens. Water Dragon 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. Oh, this is pretty crowded. Okay. Look around. Look around. Let's look at all of this. So this den's pretty decent. Roast so far. Yeah, very rainbowy. Let's go over here. Oh. Okay. Here is roast for this din. This din is so rainbow. When Batman saw it, he flied with a D. Oh, can you do better than that, Miss? Who's in my den? Let's see. No. My den. No. Oh, I bet it's that. Okay. Ready to go? I asked them what they thought. Let's go! Let's go! Boom, boom, boom. Copyright. Pop, pop, pop. Copyright. Oh, wait, no. They said something. It looks like a leprechaun threw up in here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Good one. Hey, okay. Let's look around. See. Eat so far. Sure, in a few minutes. Eat still. Yep, this is how we rate dins. We roast it, we eat it, or we eat roast it. Yes, let's look around. Oh, yes. Ooh. Ooh. I have, okay, no, I don't. Ooh. Oh. They thick. Chunky. Oof. Ice cream. Yee. Ew, strawberry. Where's the popcorn? Okay. Eat. This den was so bad. I couldn't even eat it. Yuck. Ugh. Next den. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Nicaragua cats. Oh, what is this? What is this madness? Eat. Eat. Eat roast. Eat roast. Ooh. Eat roast. This den is so bad. Not even the homeless want to. Not even the homeless want to live in it. Oh, these people over here just like, what? 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 Oh, what? What? They're like, what the heck is going on here? Okay. Yeah, the shops are basic too. Oh, I got a jet. Oh, okay. That's for the end of the video, children. That's for the end of the video. OneShar09 wanted. Oh, yeah, next. Wanted to send me stuff, but she wasn't able to get on Animal Jam. So, what happened was, oh. Roast. I'm roasting it. Yeah. It's a roast. This den is so beautiful. It made me want to live in it. Your turn. Because I'm really digging this den, so I had to roast it. I had to roast it. Oh, for trade. It's for trade. Stuff is for trade on the shop at the I'm great at this, aren't I? The Oh wait, where did she go? Where did they go? Where did they go out? If I lived here, I would never leave. Same. Oh, okay, that was nothing. Next. Yes. Oh. Okay, we're ready for the next one. Wait, no, I'm already here. I'm already here. Koala life? No! That's like an eat roast right there. So, oh wait. It's a gaga. Ra ba ga ga ga. Oh. Eat roast. Yeah. Eat roast. It's an eat roast. Hey now, you're an eat roast. This den is so toxic. Just staying in here for 5 seconds made me die. It is so toxic. Just stay in here for 5 Yeah, I'm not feeling this one. Seconds made me vomit. Just dang in here 5 seconds made me vomit. Yeah. This isn't even my best roasting, you know. This is called PG roasting. The PG roasting of the PG roastings of the roastings of the PG. Okay, what about you? There's literally nothing here, and it's low-key boring. What about you? Eating, or eat roasting? Oh! Okay. There we go. Eat roasting. I don't know. Oh. Who's Flabbergaster? And it's gonna say that it's the message is blocked because your chat is in restricted mode. You may not have. No, it's not. It's in free chat. I have free chat. Look. See? Oh, go. But the den lags excitement. Yes. The lag. Yeah. Next. They're gonna be happy to watch this. Next in, save the. Oh, they already left. Okay, so we're gonna. Which one are we going to? This will be the last one. This will be the last one. Oh gosh. Same. There are too many. The lag. My den. Oh gosh. So guys, that will end this video of roasting, eating, or eat roasting dens. Okay? So, would you like to help me with my intro? I mean, what did I just say? With outro. Oh my god. Doggo. Stay. Cool. Would you like to help me with my outro now? Yes. Yes, you. You want to do the honors of my outro? Yeah, sure. Okay. Do it. Let's see what. Bye, XD. Okay. I'll just do it. Stay safe, stay snazzy, and doggo out. Bye, guys.